Welcome students. We are learning methods of finding solution of differential equation. Especially we are learning differential equation with order 1 and degree 1. ज्या differential equation ची order 1 आणि degree 1 आहे ते differential equation कसे सोडवायचे त्याच्या methods आपण पाहत आहोत. In previous lecture we see variable separable form. There are next type of linear differential equation, that is linear differential equation. We in this lecture see how to solve this linear differential equation, and equation of this type dy by dx plus py is equal to 0 is equal to q is called as linear differential equation, where this p and q are the functions of x only. P is coefficient of y and q is the right hand side. So p and q are the functions of x only. To find the general solution of this linear differential equation, first we have to find integrating factor. We call this as IF. How to find that IF? Is equal to e raised to integration of p dx, where this p you have to take from the coefficient of y, which is only function of x and y, only function of x. Therefore general solution is given by y into if is equal to q into if. Put here calculated value of if in this formula and solve integration, you will get general solution. So these are the two steps of finding general solution of this linear differential equation. Now while finding general solution of this differential equation, you have to take precaution. हे linear differential equation सोडवत असताना कोणती precaution घ्यायची ते पहा. आधी या dy by dx चा कोएफिशिएंट 1 असायला पाहिजे. इथला dy by dx त्याचा कोएफिशिएंट 1 पाहिजे. नेक्स्ट पॉवर ऑफ y हा p चा कोएफिशिएंट y त्याची पॉवर ऑफ y 1 असायला पाहिजे. In that case it is a linear differential equation, otherwise we have to reduce into linear differential equation. जर त्या फॉर्म मध्ये नसेल तर त्या फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला रिड्यूस करावं लागेल. Also while simplifying, while solving the equation, if there is a expression like this, या प्रकारचं expression असेल e raised to log a, then write its value is equal to a. So remember these two. Similarly, see these are the some example of linear differential equation. त्याची काही examples आहेत. dy by dx plus p means coefficient of y, which is 1 upon x, is equal to sin x. Sin x is a q, which is the right hand side. So by the definition of linear differential equation, this p and q must be function of x. हे p आणि q x चे फंक्शन असायला पाहिजेत. ते p आहे 1 upon x आणि q आहे sin x. Therefore this equation example 1 is a linear differential equation. Similarly, this dy by dx plus py, that means coefficient of y, call this as p, which must be function of x only. फक्त x चं function असायला पाहिजे. So this is in the form py is equal to right hand side q, which is again a function of x. Therefore this equation is linear differential equation. Now we see the examples. Now see how to solve linear differential equation. See this example. Solve this dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to cosec x. So let's call this equation number 1, dy by dx plus y into cot x, which is equal to cosec x. Now this is in the form dy by dx plus this is p and call this as q. So this is a linear differential equation. P is a function of x only, q है function of x only है, p is function of x. So therefore simply compare this. If you compare this equation with this dy by dx plus py is equal to k. This is linear differential equation. dy by dx coefficient is 1 here, y power of y is 1, p means coefficient of y, ह्या y चा सहगुणक p हे function of x आहे only, is equal to q is a function of x. Therefore equation 1 is linear differential equation. If we compare, therefore we get p is equal to p coefficient of y which is equal to cot x, and q is the right hand side which is cosec x. Now in step first we find integrating factor which is equal to integration of e raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to e raised to integration of p means cot x dx. Therefore if is equal to e raised to, this is standard, integration of cot of x dx which is equal to log of sin x. Now this is in the form e raised to log a. We write this is equal to a. This is e raised to log sin x. Call this is a. Therefore e raised to log a, we write is equal to a means sin x. So this is integrating factor if. Now in second step number 2, we find general solution. So general solution, this is given by y is into if is equal to q into if with respect to x plus c. So this is the formula to find general solution of linear differential equation. म्हणजे लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचं जनरल सोल्यूशन काढायचं असेल तर हा फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर करायचा. सो y इंटू पुट कॅल्क्युलेटेड व्हॅल्यू, याची किंमत शोधले, साइन एक्स पुट हियर इज इक्वल टू क्यू. व्हॉट इज क्यू? क्यू इज कोसेक एक्स विच इज राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन, कोसेक एक्स into if means this sin x dx. Now this cosec x into sin x which is equal to cosec x into this sin x means 1 upon cosec x. So this cosec x will get cancelled which is equal to 1. That means this cosec x into sin x is 1 and therefore is equal to integration of 1 dx plus c as a constant of integration. So this is y sin x is equal to, now integration of 1, this is also standard, integration of 1 is x plus c. So this is the required general solution of given linear differential equation. See this example 2 of linear differential equation. dy by dx plus y into tan x is equal to cos square x. So let call this is equation number 1. Let dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to cos square x. You call this equation number 1. Now compare this equation with, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, which is linear differential equation. Now this is dy by dx, coefficient of dy by dx 1, here is y power is 1, coefficient of y this is p, and right hand side this is q. This is nothing but linear differential equation. Therefore we get p is equal to tan x and q is equal to cos square x. Now to obtain solution of this equation, we conduct two steps. In first step, calculate value of if. If means integrating factor. If, this is called as a integrating factor, which is equal to e raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to e raised to integration of p. P means tan x dx. Therefore we get if, which is equal to integration of tan x dx. This is standard integration. Integration of tan x is a log of sec x. So this is equal to e raised to log of sec x. Now since when expression in this type, या type मध्ये expression असेल e raised to log a, we write this is simply a. So this is e raised to log sec x. We write this as sec x. So this is nothing but integrating factor. हा त्याचा integrating factor आहे. Now step 2, to find general solution. What is formula to find general solution? This is y into if is equal to q into integration of q into if with respect to x plus c. Now put values. Y into if means sec x, which is equal to integration of q. Q means this is the right hand side of this equation, which is cos square x. Put value into if is a sec x with respect to x plus c, which is equal to integration of, can simplify this trigonometry. हे इंटिग्रँड मधील ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फक्त सिम्प्लिफाय करा. दिस sec x means 1 upon cos x dx. So which is equal to, this is cos square upon cos. One cos will get cancelled. इथं square आहे इथं cos x आहे. So we get here cos of x dx plus c. So this is value of y sec x, and finally y sec x is equal to, this is integration of cos x, which is standard integration, which is sin of x plus c. So this is a required general solution of given differential equation. See this next example number 3. This is equation, given equation x dy by dx minus y is equal to x square. Call this equation number 1. Now we see this is a differential equation. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here coefficient of dy by dx is 1. Here dy by dx coefficient is x. So remove this x, divide this equation by x. इथला x remove करण्यासाठी या इक्वेशनला x ने डिवाइड करा. So we write like this, divide x by, divide both side by x. Both side ला divide करा. If you divide this term, x will get cancelled. That means like this, x dy by dx upon x minus y upon x is equal to x square upon x. Now here x upon x will get cancelled. Here is x square upon x, 1x will get cancelled. X square means x into x, 1x will get cancelled. So what we get, dy by dx minus y upon x is equal to x only. So this equation 2, this is in this form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, which is linear differential equation. This is linear differential equation. Now compare this, compare with this dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is p? Therefore p is equal to, p means coefficient of y. या y चा coefficient त्याला p म्हणतात. So that will be take along with sign minus 1 upon x. This is p minus 1 upon x, and q means right hand side, which is x. Therefore q is equal to x. Now therefore in step first, we find integrating factor, which is e raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to e raised to integration of p means minus 1 upon x dx. So therefore e raised to take minus sign outside, minus 1 upon x dx, minus constant 1 outside. Now this is standard integration of 1 upon x dx, which is equal to e raised to minus, this value is log of x. So what we get, if is equal to e raised to minus log x. We write this as e raised to minus 1 into log x. So use here rules of logarithm. Log of m raised to n means n log m. What is m raised to n? This is n log of m. किंवा n log m असेल तर आपल्याला या पद्धतीने लिहिता येईल log m n. So this is in the form n log m. So we write this as log m raised to n. हे n log m आहे, आपण log m raised to n या पद्धतीने लिहूयात. So therefore this is equal to e raised to log of x raised to this m means minus 1. Now this is log of e raised to log of, call this is a, that means use this expression log of a is equal to a. E raised to log a means a. So e raised to log of x raised to minus 1 means x raised to minus 1, and x raised to minus 1 is 1 upon x. So this is integrating factor, which we get 1 upon x. Now in step 2 we find general solution. So this formula y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. Now put values y, if means 1 upon x, which is equal to q. What is q? Is the right hand side of the equation. This q is x into integration of if. If means 1 upon x dx plus c. आणि हे इंटिग्रेशन सोडवायत, x upon x आहे, they will get cancel. We get integration of 1 dx plus c. So this y into 1 upon x means y upon x. So finally y upon x is equal to, this is standard integration of 1, which is ax plus c. So this is a required general solution of given differential equation. See this next example number 4. dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to sin x. Let it call equation number 1. dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to sin x is call this equation number 1. Now compare this equation with linear differential equation. If you compare this with, याला compare करा, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is p? Coefficient of y. या y चा coefficient तो आहे 1 upon x. So therefore p is equal to 1 upon x आणि q म्हणजे right hand side, q is equal to sin x. So this is nothing but linear differential equation. Now we find its solution by using this method. Step first, we find integrating factor, which is equal to e raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to e raised to integration of p. P means 1 upon x dx. Now this integration 1 upon x dx, this is standard. Its value is, याची किंमत आहे या इंटिग्रेशनची 1 upon x dx, which is log of x. So this is if. So therefore e raised to log x, that will be x only. Using this, e raised to log a is equal to a only. So using this, this will be e raised to log x is x. So we get if is equal to x. Therefore if integrating factor which is x. Now in step number 2 we find general solution by this formula. Y into if is equal to integration of q into if with respect to x plus c. Now put value. Y into if means x, which is equal to integration of q means x, sorry, integration of q. Q means here sin x. This is sin x into if, that is x into dx. Now to obtain this integration of sin x into x, this is a product of two function. या दोन फंक्शनचा product आहे, integration of sin x into x. So we have to obtain this integration by using parts. याचं integration कसं शोधायचं, तर by using parts. For that sin x, this is trigonometric function and x is a algebraic function. sin x हे trigonometric आहे, x algebraic आहे. And by this rule LIATE, या क्रमानुसार a is first then t. Therefore it is first function. Therefore u is equal to, first function is algebraic and then v is equal to trigonometric, that is sin x. And we use this formula, integration of uv dx. uv dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx into du by dx with respect to x. So this is a formula to find integration of u into v. So call this equation number say 2. Therefore equation 2 becomes y into x is equal to, now sin x into x using this, u is x, v म्हणजे कोण आहे sin x. Put values, u means x, integration of v means sin x dx minus integration square bracket, here is a product, integration of v आणि derivative of u चं product आहे, integration of v means sin x dx into d by dx of u means x with respect to x. So this is y into x is equal to x. Now integration of sin x, here is also integration of sin x which is minus cos x, minus integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of, परत एकदा integration of sin x minus cos x. This is also standard derivative of x is 1 with respect to x plus c. So therefore we get y into x is equal to, multiply this plus minus, this will be minus x cos x minus minus plus, this minus into minus, that will be plus cos x into 1, that is cos x. So this will be integration of cos x dx plus c. So y into x is equal to minus x cos x plus, right, integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is a sin x plus c. So this is a required general solution of given differential equation. See this next example number 5. Call this as 1 dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to x square. Call this equation number 1. Now compare this, compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. y dy by dx है, कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, here is y, here is also y. p means कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y जो x मध्ये असायला पाहिजे 1/x आणि q is right hand side. So it is p, therefore p coefficient of y 1/x, q is right hand side x. These are the functions of x only. These are the functions of x only. This is nothing but linear differential equation. So given this is linear differential equation, by using this method we solve. In step first we find integrating factor if, which is e raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to e raised to integration of p means 1/x, p ची किंमत ठेवा 1/x, which is equal to e raised to, now this integration of 1/x which is log x, and e raised to log x which is equal to x only. So use this, e raised to log a is equal to a. So therefore e raised to log, call this as a, that will be x. So we get integrating factor, therefore we get if is equal to x. Now step 2. In step 2 we find general solution. So it is formula y into if, काय फॉर्म्युलेचा y into if integration of q into if dx plus c. Now put value of integrating factor. Y into if means x, which is equal to q. Q means this is q, right hand side, which is x square. Q means x square into if, which is x with respect to x, say plus c. So this is y into x, which is equal to x into x square into x. This will be x cube dx plus c. Now use here x cube means use formula x raised to n dx, which is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. हे पॉवर मध्ये आहे x cube, मग x raised to n चा फॉर्म्युला वापरा. Therefore is equal to y into x is equal to x raised to n. N means here 3. 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus c. Therefore we get y is equal to x raised to 3 plus 1 means x raised to 4. 3 plus 1 4 plus c. So this is a required general solution of given differential equation. This is nothing but general solution. See this next example number 6. Now call this as equation number 1. dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to cos of x. You call this equation number 1. Now this is, compare this equation with, if we compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Therefore p, what is p? Coefficient of y, which is cot x, and this is right hand side, which is a linear differential equation. Therefore comparing this we get p is equal to cot x and q is equal to cos x. Since this is linear differential equation, see how to solve. Step first. In this step first we obtain integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to e raised to p means cot x dx. So which is equal to e raised to integration of cot x, a standard formula. Integration of cot x is a log of sin x. Now this e raised to log, call this a, e raised to log of a, which we write this as a. So e raised to log of sin x, this will be sin x. Therefore, we get if is equal to sin x. If is equal to sin x. Step number 2. In step number 2, we find general solution. Formula is y into if, which is equal to integration of q into if with respect to x plus c. Now y into if, if means sin x is equal to integration of q. What is q? Cos x, right hand side, cos x into sin x dx. Now this is integration of cos x into sin x. So we use this formula, sin of 2x, which is equal to 2 sin x cos x. We use this double angle formula. या डबल अँगल फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर करा. sin 2x म्हणजे काय, 2 sin x cos x. Now sin x cos x means change side of these two, that will be sin of 2x upon 2 is equal to sin x into cos x. मग आता हे sin x cos x आहे, sin x into cos x. Instead of this put sin of 2x upon 2. So which is equal to integration of sin of 2x upon 2 dx. Now this divided by 2, take it outside, integration of sin of dx dx, which is equal to half as it is. Integration of sin, which is minus cos, integration of sin x is minus cos 2x. Remember, this is a composite function. We know this standard formula, integration of sin x dx, which is equal to minus cos x. हे sin x integration x असेल तर cos x आहे. Now instead of x there is a 2x. So call this 2x as u. हे जे 2x आहे त्याला u म्हणतो आपण. That means this is composite function. So write integration of sin u, which is minus cos u. U means 2x, and divide by derivative of this 2x, d by dx of 2x plus c. So this is value of y into sin x. Again this y sin x is equal to, this is minus plus minus half cos of 2x upon, this is derivative of 2x, 2 outside, derivative of x is 1, that is d by dx of 2x, this value is 2 plus c. So finally we get y into sin x is equal to 2 into 2, this will be 1 upon 4 cos of 2x plus c. So this is nothing but general solution of given differential equation.